Good morning, physical science. So today, I posted an assignment where you have a Google slide with this worksheet on it, and I wanted to show you how you can go ahead and insert a text box into this Google slide on your own copy of it, so that way you don't have to toggle between a Google Doc or even go from a picture that you might be have down here and send it to me. You can just actually type your answers right into the slide. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and hit text box. And then you're just going to, wherever you want to type, put that little text box in there, like so. And so for sodium, if you look at the periodic table that I shared with you, I'm looking around, here's mine. All right, so sodium is right here in the first column. And it's right there. And we use the sodium symbol. So it's a capital N and a lowercase a. Then you're going to go ahead, mass number is 24, atomic number is 11. We need to insert a text box here. So you go up to that text right there, put your little text box in there, like so, and figure out your number of protons. Well, number of protons is equal to the atomic number. So your number of protons there is 11. If you don't like where it puts itself, you can scoot it up if you want. And maybe make it bigger. And if it's not perfect, trust me, you guys, you're going to find out that I am not a perfectionist on certain things like that. So if it's like that, don't worry. It doesn't have to be in line. I don't mind. Protons are 11. All right, let's skip on over neutrons. Let's go to electrons. So you're going to insert that text box here. And the electrons are always equal to the number of protons. So that'd be 11 electrons. And the way you find your neutrons is you're going to take your mass number, which is the number of protons and neutrons together, and subtract it over here, from, extract the protons from the number 11. I'm sorry, I just said that wrong. So you're going to subtract 11 from the mass number. All right, so 24 minus 11 ends up being, so if you do 24 minus 10, that would be 14, but we're doing it minus 11, so that would be 13. So you're going to insert your text box. All right, and then type 13 right in there. I'm going to scoot that one up because I made it too skinny. We'll pull it back down. There you go. And then you just double click and put 13 in there. And that's how you can fill it in directly on the Google slide. And you can do that for any worksheet I share in this way. But of course, you're always welcome to print that out and take a picture, or you can do it yourself on a Google Doc. But this is just an easy way to type right on the Google slide I gave you. I set it up in such a way that you can definitely put text box in it, and then you would just save this. I would save it with your first and last name, and just so it'd be subatomic particles worksheet. And if your name was Taylor Smith, then the subatomic particles worksheet, Taylor Smith, and you just share that with me, and then I could grade it from there. All right, if you have any questions, you can always comment or share them with me in an email, or even put it into a totally separate Google Doc. All right, you guys, have a great day. Bye.